8 ethics of life you must follow. Let's get started. First, before you pray, believe. Second, before you speak, listen. Third, before you spend, earn. Fourth, before you quit, try. Fifth, before you write, think. Sixth, before you hurt, heal. Seventh, before you give up, try again. 8. Before you die, live. Dear friends, love this post. Save this post. Share with as many people as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit YouTube channel IELTS TOEFL English Teacher. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. May God bless you. Amen.